Gagan Narang, a marksmanship maestro. Gagan Narang, born on May 6, 1983, in Chennai, India, is a name synonymous with excellence in the field of shooting sports. With a career spanning over 2 decades, Narang has etched his name in the annals of Indian sports history as one of the finest marksmen the country has ever produced. Let's delve into the journey of this shooting stalwart and explore the milestones of his illustrious career. Early life and introduction to shooting. Gagan Narang's tryst with shooting began at a young age when he showed exceptional talent and enthusiasm for the sport. Hailing from a family with a military background, Narang's passion for shooting was nurtured from a tender age. He honed his skills under the guidance of experienced coaches, laying a solid foundation for his future endeavors. Rise to prominence. Narang's breakthrough moment came in the early 2000s when he started making waves in the national shooting circuit. His remarkable performances in various national and international competitions caught the attention of selectors and enthusiasts alike. In 2003, he won his first individual gold medal at the Afro-Asian Games, marking the beginning of a glittering career. Olympic glory. Gagan Narang's crowning moment came at the 2012 London Olympics, where he etched his name in Indian sports history by clinching the bronze medal in the men's 10 meters air rifle event. His stellar performance not only earned him personal glory but also brought accolades to the nation, making him a household name and inspiring a generation of aspiring shooters. Record-breaking feats. Throughout his career, Narang has set numerous records and milestones in the world of shooting. He holds the distinction of being the first Indian shooter to qualify for the London Olympics and has won multiple medals in prestigious international competitions, including the Commonwealth Games, Asian Games, and World Cups. His consistency, precision, and determination have earned him the respect of peers and adversaries alike. Philanthropic endeavors. Beyond the shooting range, Gagan Narang is also known for his philanthropic efforts aimed at nurturing young talent and promoting sports at the grassroots level. He has established the Gagan Narang Sports Promotion Foundation, which aims to identify and groom budding shooters from across the country, providing them with world-class training and support. Legacy and inspiration. As Gagan Narang continues to inspire generations with his exemplary dedication and sporting prowess, his legacy serves as a beacon of hope and inspiration for aspiring athletes across the country. His journey from humble beginnings to Olympic glory exemplifies the power of passion, perseverance, and hard work in achieving one's dreams. In conclusion, Gagan Narang's journey is a testament to the indomitable spirit of Indian sportsmanship. With his unparalleled achievements and unwavering commitment to excellence, he has not only carved a niche for himself in the annals of Indian sports history but has also inspired millions to aim for the stars and strive for greatness.